Get out, Jim Wop.
They still need milk.
Of course they still need milk. Move them away, Boo. Let them walk. Go one's by you, sweetheart. Oh my God, look, he's into the damn door. What the heck? Aww, keep putting Mama here. This is trying to get a nipple.
That one's
Here, move those things around. Get him up. Nancy. Just take that. Yeah, just take that.
Yeah.
Good thing, girl. Wave. Wave, Boo.
I curse you.
Hey, don't talk like that.
Joe.
That's not funny. I curse you.
I curse you. I'll curse you.
Put the other puppies in her mama's belly.
I can't listen.
Come on, now look. Come on, Boo.
Don't you dare put on the floor. Come on, you want me? You want
Nancy.
me?
I'm asking you to put the puppies by Mama.
They're simple. Because they have
They're temple.
So they get these tampons.
You don't recording this, right? Don't be nasty. We're going to call you Nasty Nanny. Nasty Nancy. Would you like that?
Nipple.
How you're acting. She did. She's dragging him. You won't let go. You won't let go. You won't let go. Oh my God. Go and get her and put her back. Oh, dear. Aww. Then put them all back in the box. Turn them. Oh no. Put them back in the box, baby. Oh, look at that one just kicking it.
Oh, look, we can call Mom.
They're walking. Oh, they're smelling the food already. Uh-oh, he's doing it with your dress. Take him out. Take him out. That's too funny. So there's no nipple there.
What are your booty sticking out?
Yeah, sit on one over there by you.
Where?
On the other side. Then put them all back in the box.
And this one.
Look at them go.
This one's a boy. What are you doing?
That was John, the one crawling towards you.
Yeah. No.